If you're thinking about selling your house, I'm going to tell you how to get it ready to sell. There are some things that you should do and there are some things your agent should do, so we're going to go through both. But if you listen to my tips and tricks, you're going to make more money and sell a lot faster. I'm going to give you 3 things that you as the homeowner need to focus on first. So declutter, clean, and minor repairs. Declutter would be the little piles of stuff. Like this is one of my projects I'm working on right now. Get rid of it, get it off the shelves. I actually have too many pictures here, and we usually get rid of kind of family pictures. So get rid of some of those things, put one big thing there instead. Piece of art, bowl, whatever, more like these shelves are staged. Clean, you need to do a little deep clean. They're not going to be coming through with the white glove. They're usually more big picture, but you want everything to look clean when people do come through your house. And then if there's those things that have been on the honey-do list for a while and you haven't gotten them fixed, let's get them done because they're going to come up on the inspection anyways. So now here are some things your agent should help you with. Number 1, preparation. What do you fix? What do you not fix? What do you update? I only have people update anything I know I can get double their money back out. How are you going to price the home? You've got one shot at going out correctly. You go too high and you may have to reduce to sell, and it takes longer. It's frustrating for everybody. If you go too low, you're leaving money on the table. And then 3, marketing. There are only so many agents that do this right. There's a lot to it, way more than I can go through in this quick video, but you need to make sure your house is presented correctly, good photos, video, social media. It needs to be everywhere. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere that your buyer could be, your home needs to be. Also, Google ads. We run so many ads on all of our listings and just people even moving into the area. All of that's really important. But how you're presented online is the most important thing. So when you work with our team, we're going to take a lot of this off your plate. Preparation wise, again, we're going to tell you exactly what you need to do to make the most money. It's all about return on investment. And we can also give you money up front through the Compass Concierge program. So we're funding these renovations, repairs, paint, carpet, whatever we think you're going to get the most money out of. And you just pay it back at closing, no interest. It's the best program out there. So we're going to help you with preparation. We're going to help you price it correctly so that you sell fast. That's what you want. You don't want to sit. The longer you sit, the less you get. And then we're going to make sure that you're promoted correctly. A lot of agents don't do this well. Make sure your photos are professional, not cell phone pictures. Make sure that they're in the right order. They're in an order that people want to see them. They get really bored at looking at 10 pictures of the front of a house. So let's make sure there's some interest to what we are presenting. And then we also want to make sure there's video that goes along with it that we can use to promote as a reel on Instagram and so other social media. We also want to make sure that you're marketed everywhere that your potential buyer could be. So that's Google ads. It's our network of Compass agents, which is nationwide. You're going to be everywhere that a potential buyer can be. There are a lot of people still relocating to Atlanta, so it has to be a national and even an international campaign. We do that in addition to Compass. They add another layer of marketing on top of what we already do. So when you choose the right agent, that's when you're going to make the most money. Choose Home with Sherry Team.